Hey everyone, have you ever felt like you weren't good enough or that life was passing you by? Did you know that every single one of us has experienced this at some point in our lives? We all have felt inadequate or unsure of ourselves. But guess what? That's just the beginning of our story. In today's video, we're going to take you on an exhilarating journey, a roller coaster ride through the ups and downs of life that will show you how to turn your weaknesses into strengths and your doubts into unwavering confidence. Imagine a world where you walk with your head held high, ready to conquer any challenge that comes your way. A world where self-doubt is a distant memory and self-belief is your driving force. That world is within your reach, and we're here to help you get there. Before we dive into the transformative techniques that will change your life forever, let's take a moment to appreciate the power of challenges. Yes, challenges, they may not seem like a walk in the park, but trust me, they are the secret ingredient to your success. You see, challenges are like those pesky little monsters under your bed. At first, they may seem scary and intimidating, lurking in the darkness, trying to hold you back. But here's the twist, it's not the challenges that define you. It's how you choose to face them. When you confront your fears head-on, you realize that these so-called monsters are nothing but harmless dust bunnies. Not only that, but you also discover that these challenges are the stepping stones to your greatness. By embracing the unknown, you become the hero of your story. Let me ask you something. When's the last time you pushed yourself beyond your comfort zone? Can you remember the feeling of stepping into the unknown, the mixture of fear and excitement coursing through your veins? Well, I want you to hold onto that feeling because it's the key to unlocking your true potential. As author Paulo Coelho once said, the biggest risk is not taking risks. In order to be able to realize one's own potential, one must take effective and well-calculated risks. Now let's talk about effective and well-calculated risks. It's not about reckless abandon or jumping into things blindly. It's about assessing the odds, weighing the pros and cons, and then taking a leap of faith. Remember, even the greatest successes began with a single step, a step that someone once took that led them to where they are now. Now here's the real game changer. The more risks you take, the more you'll realize that these challenges are not there to knock you down. They are there to make you rise above. Each obstacle you overcome builds your confidence like a tower growing stronger with each new brick. So my question for you is, are you ready to take that first step? Are you ready to face your fears and turn them into fuel for your success? If your answer is yes, then I invite you to join me on this incredible journey. Imagine a life where you are in control, where you face challenges head-on and come out even stronger on the other side. That's the life that awaits you. Now let's get started. Number 1, identify your limiting beliefs. We all have them, those sneaky limiting beliefs that hold us back from achieving our dreams. But guess what? You have the power to turn them around and use them to your advantage. How do I know? Because I've done it myself. Once upon a time, I believed that I wasn't good enough. But instead of letting that belief define me, I chose to challenge it. I started to visualize myself succeeding, and guess what happened? My belief shifted, and with that, my confidence soared. Here's a simple trick to identify your limiting beliefs. Close your eyes and picture yourself achieving your wildest dreams. What negative thoughts pop into your head? Is it I'm not talented enough or I don't deserve it? These are your limiting beliefs. Don't worry. We're not going to dwell on them for too long. Instead, we're going to dive right into how to challenge them and turn them into your secret weapons. No, 2, challenge your negative thoughts. You wouldn't believe the power that lies within you. The ability to challenge your negative thoughts is like having a personal superhero sidekick. This is where the magic happens. When you start to question those negative beliefs, that's when you unlock your true potential. Here's how you do it. First, become your own thought detective. Whenever a negative thought pops up, ask yourself, is this thought really true? Often these thoughts are nothing but pesky little lies trying to keep you small. Next, gather evidence. Think of times when you've succeeded, when you've overcome challenges and achieved your goals. Write it down, create a tangible reminder of your capabilities. Lastly, craft a positive affirmation. Turn that negative thought into a positive one. For example, instead of "I'm not good enough," say, "I am capable and deserving of achieving my goals." Repeat this affirmation daily. Visualize it, feel it deep within your bones. This is how you reprogram your mind, one positive thought at a time. 3. Take action and build momentum. Action. It's where the rubber meets the road. You see, knowledge is like that fancy sports car you see in the showroom. It looks great, but until you take it for a spin, it's just a pretty face. Same goes for all the positive thoughts and affirmations we've been working on. It's time to put them into action. Break down your goals into small, manageable steps and start with one small step. Do something that moves you forward, no matter how small it may seem. Once you start taking action, it's like setting a domino in motion. Each small win creates momentum propelling you forward. Before you know it, you'll be unstoppable. Number 4, learn from setbacks and rebound stronger. Setbacks. Those pesky obstacles that try to slow us down. But guess what? Setbacks are not the end of the road. They are the starting point of your greatest comeback. Here's the deal, everyone faces setbacks, everyone. It's part of the human experience, but it's not about the setbacks themselves. It's about how you bounce back from them. When faced with a setback, take a moment to process your emotions. Allow yourself to feel the disappointment or frustration, but don't let those feelings consume you. Then shift your perspective, look at the setback as a learning opportunity. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? And how can I use this experience to grow? Finally, create an action plan. This is where you turn the lessons learned into actionable steps. Break down your goals and create a roadmap to success. 5. Nurture your body and mind. You wouldn't believe the incredible connection between your body and mind. They are like two peas in a pod, working together to create your reality. When you treat them well, they reward you with unwavering confidence. And when you neglect them, well, let's just say you won't be at your best. So how do you nurture your body and mind? Start with your body, treat it like the temple it is. Eat nourishing foods that make you feel amazing. Move your body through exercise or dance, whatever makes you feel alive, and most importantly, rest and recharge. Your body needs quality sleep and relaxation to thrive. Now let's talk about your mind. Engage in activities that stimulate your brain, like reading, learning new skills, or engaging in deep conversations. Challenge yourself mentally and watch your confidence soar. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about pushing your limits and discovering the strength that lies within you. Embrace the journey, celebrate your progress, and never, ever give up on yourself. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more empowering content. And hey, if you're feeling inspired, share this video with your friends so they too can embark on their journey to becoming the most confident version of themselves.